guys, today I want to show you this salad container.
It comes with a salad bowl, a 3-compartment food tray for dressings, a removable leak-proof container, reusable fork, airtight lid, and brush.
Made of premium ECOZEN PCTG material with crystal clear transparency and lightweight design, it offers the elegance of glass without the fragility, drop resistant, and durable for everyday use.
Making it perfect for meal prep on the go.
The 33-ounce container offers generous space for salads, fruits, or full meals, and the integrated 3-grid snack tray helps to organize sauce, fork, toppings, or side snacks.
With an easily to open lid and secure snap lock closure, keeps your dressing separate in leak-proof mini container and mix everything right before eating, keeping your salad crisp and fresh. Its compact size easily fits into a work bag, backpack, or tote. It's refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher safe. It handles both hot and cold foods. It's available in different colors to use it as a lunchbox, snack tray, or fruit container. I really recommend it.